In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user in your Godaddy account. Whether you're looking to add a new team member or simply want to share account access with someone you trust, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Godaddy account. If you haven't done that already, head over to the Godaddy website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account's dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your Godaddy products and services. It's something you'll become quite familiar with if you use Godaddy often. Now, from your dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on your name in the upper right corner of the screen. This should bring up a drop-down menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. Navigating to your account settings is essential as it contains all the tools necessary to manage your account, including user permissions. Once you're in the account settings, look for a tab or section titled Delegate Access. This is where you'll manage user roles and access levels. Clicking on Delegate Access will open up a new page that shows all the current users who have access to your account. It's here where we'll create a new user. To add a new user, find and select the option that says Invite to Access. Once you click on this, you'll be prompted to enter some information regarding the new user. You'll need to input the new user's name and email address. Make sure you have the correct email address, as the invitation to access the account will be sent directly there. Take your time to double-check this information before proceeding to avoid any miscommunication. After entering these details, you'll have the option to choose the level of access you wish to grant to this user. There are typically a few different permission levels to choose from, such as products, domains, and so on. It's important to select the level that best suits the needs of both your account and the person you're inviting. If you're not sure, you might want to on the side of caution and give limited access first, then expand if necessary. Once you've set the desired access levels, go ahead and click Invite. This sends an email invitation to the new user, prompting them to accept. They'll receive this email within a few minutes. It's always a good idea to notify the new user to check their email, including their spam folder, in the event that the invitation gets filtered out. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a user in your Godaddy account. Remember, managing users and access levels is a key aspect of maintaining security and optimizing collaboration, so review your settings periodically. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time.